2. May get used to the sound, but your nervous system often doesn't. Noise surrounds the ears again. Traffic, voices, machines, alerts. The brain filters what it can, but constant sound keeps attention slightly armed. The heart rate stays a little less calm. Stress, chemistry rises in small doses. The nervous system never fully settles into quiet. The muscles hold subtle tension. Sleep later becomes less deep. Patience runs thinner. Short term, you may call it normal. You adapt, you continue. But deeper inside, constant noise keeps the body near readiness. Recovery weakens. Focus gets more expensive. Calm becomes something the system has to earn. Loud noise doesn't only fill the room, it can keep your body standing one step away from stress.